Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see sensitive contents on Twitter using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So you can do this even if you are using mobile device as long as you have the Twitter application or even you're using Twitter on browser. Okay, so now let's get started. So first you want to open your Twitter and log in your account. After that, you want to click here on more if you are using computer and click on settings and support and click on settings and privacy. And now, once you've done that, just go ahead and click on privacy and safety and click on content you see. And then here, you want to click on search settings. So here, as you can see, it says that hide sensitive content. This prevents tweets with potentially sensitive content from displaying in your search result. So you just need to uncheck that if you want to see sensitive contents. And now save search settings updated. So you can see at the lower part of my screen. And now you want to go back and here you can see display media that may contain sensitive content. So also you can just go ahead and check that if you want to enable display media that may contain sensitive content. So that's how you do it. That's so easy, right? So if you are using your mobile devices, just go ahead and follow the steps or the options that I choose. Okay. So first you want to go to your settings, settings and support, then settings and privacy safe and safety, and then content to see. And you can see all of the options that you need on. So I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.